Okay, I'll start things off with our client's information. Our client's name is Dr. Aimi Mulyani Adam. She works as a marine biologist in NSM. Her specialized study is phytoplankton identification, nutrient analysis, measuring water quality, and her height is 150 cm. Now on to our background study. In line with the Movement Control Order announced by the government on 16 March 2020, to contain the COVID-19 break, the offices throughout Malaysia closed. During this period, people will operate fully on a work from home basis. People recognize that they need to continue to have responsibilities towards their client and will deliver their work to the best of their abilities. In these current circumstances, our client, Dr. Aimi Mulyani, who is a marine biologist from INASAM and also a lecturer from the Department of Marine Science in IIM Kuantan, has two types of workplace. One from home and the other one is on the field. On the field, she goes to collect sample for plankton identification, run nutrient analysis and measure water quality. So she would need a portable workstation pod that contains all her needs to make her feel more comfortable while she is working. Now let's dive into our portkey design. For our president study, we chose this as our president study because the exterior is similar to our design, and for our case study, we chose this as our case study because the mechanism of our portkey is also needs to be portable. So we chose a caravan like design that can also extend like the one on the right. Now moving on to our design concept, which is phytoplankton marine. Phytoplankton, also known as microalgae, are similar terrestrial plants in that they contain chlorophyll and require sunlight in order to live and grow. Most phytoplankton are buoyant and float in upper part of the water where sunlight penetrates the water. Phytoplankton also require inorganic nutrients such as nitrates, phosphates, and sulfur, which they convert into proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. And these are some examples of phytoplankton marine. These three in particular inspire most of our design. So moving on to the design development, we started off at the top right corner, very basic and geometric, and slowly turns into a more round shape model. So this is our model.
Before we extend, so we need to put this to extend like this.
It will extend from to the front more. And this is our sketches of our model caravan. And for the principal design and languages, our design has datum, as you can see in the middle part of the design, rhythm that can be seen from the curvy lines surrounding the circle in the middle, contrast, in which it's more to the concept where we are using the inspiration of one of the most smallest creatures in this world, but we made it big, human size caravan. And the transition of form, which is additive, which you can see when it extends forward. And I will let Adriana continue with the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adriana Batusha binti Ahmad Maliki. So I will start with appliance and fittings. We use recliner chair, air purifier, coat hanger, multi-screen monitors, foldable table, cat house, aquarium floor, coffee maker, and computer table. And the material we use is aluminium reinforced cladding for exterior and interior. Second, we use teak wood, which is we use for the molds of the wooden furniture, and polymetal acrylic for aquarium glass. The color scheme is navy blue, black, white, and sea green.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Nundami Aisha and I will continue with Adriana's presentation from before. So this is our sketch, one point interior. So yeah, this is one point interior. So this is before. You can see the second floor, and here this is the one point after. Okay, so here you can see it extended. The floor was extended. Okay, so here it is 2 point, and here is the 2 point after. It's a bit longer. So here is the model plan. Here is the before and here is the after. Okay, the arrow here shows it was extended. Okay, so this is side elevation before and after. Okay, the top view before and after, the 3D views. All of this is the 3D views. This is the model that we use, the interior subjects that we use in the model. Okay, so this is the concept board. Also, our working name is Land Marine. It's a combination of marine life. That is, we made it from, we take it from what the phytoplankton, and land because it was used on land. So all of the concept board is already presented in the slide. So except the mechanic. So the mechanic is of an openable glass wall. So here is the glass wall. It can be opened, and it's also extendable floor that we show you from before, that it can be extended. So it's also a caravan-like port key. So because it was intentionally used for outdoor usage. Okay, so that's all for the recording. Okay, so thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh from us.